Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use ginger hair mask on my natural hair. So ginger is amazing for hair growth. It helps to keep your scalp healthy and clean, and it's also a good hair conditioner. It makes hair more softer and shiny. Ginger is also a useful remedy for dandruff, dry itching scalp, and it also helps to prevent hair loss. So here is my ginger hair mask. It contains just 2 ingredients: ginger juice and coconut oil. So I have a video on my channel on how I made this ginger hair mask. I'm going to put the link down below in the comment section. Please go there and check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the ginger hair mask on my hair.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Then I'm going to go ahead and use this cap to close my hair.
Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
I'm going to leave it like this for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and wash it off. So that is all for this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.